In this video, we'll take you through the process of signing up for the Datanamix portal. Start by navigating to the Datanamix website at datanamix.com. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration process, which consists of 4 steps. Minimum business requirements will be clearly displayed. These include a registered business, a valid South African ID, a business landline number, and a company-linked email address. Please note, if these details cannot be verified, you will not have access to credit checks. All fields on this form are compulsory. It's important to provide accurate information as it will be used in accordance with the National Credit Act. Start by entering your first and last name exactly as they appear in your ID book. Then enter your ID number. This will be used for identity verification and cannot be changed later. Next, enter your email address, followed by your mobile number. Make sure the mobile number is correct, as an OTP will be sent to verify your account. Now, move on to your business details. Select your business entity type, either a South African company or sole proprietor. A sole proprietor is personally liable for the business and taxed as an individual, while a South African company is a separate legal entity with limited liability and corporate tax obligations. Choose a business category. If yours isn't listed, select Other. Enter your business practice number, business name, which will be verified, and registration number. Select your position in the company and the date your business started by using the calendar tool. Enter your VAT number, business phone number, and business address, and select your province. You can provide a brief description of your business and its need for credit bureau services. Tick the box to confirm full compliance with the National Credit Act 34 of 2005 and that you've read and accepted the terms and conditions. Next, complete your business profile. From the drop-down, select how many branches your business has. Specify the number of users who will be using the system. Select your internet connectivity option. Check the boxes to receive marketing and update communications. This is optional but recommended. Let us know your preferred contact method and where you heard about us. Indicate whether you feel you have enough information about the platform and rate the website. Finally, choose whether to subscribe to the notification system, where a breakdown of the notifications you'll receive is shown. Once completed, tick the confirmation box and click Submit. You will receive an email from Datanamix with a link to complete your registration. Click the button in the email to continue. Clicking the link takes you to Step 2 of registration, where your ID verification results are displayed. The system will indicate whether there's a match or mismatch with your entered first name, surname, ID number, and email. If there's a mismatch, you'll have one chance to correct the information. If the mismatch persists, the Datanamix support team will contact you and your use of the system will be limited. Enter the OTP received on your mobile number and proceed to set your account login details, including a username and password. Please note that you have to use a strong password using numeric and alphabetic uppercase and lowercase characters. Please note, you are responsible for all searches performed with your account. When you're ready, click Submit Application. Congratulations, you're now registered. To log in, go to datanamix.com, click Login in the top right corner, and enter your username, password, and account number, as sent to you via email. Once done, click Login. On your first login, you'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Read the terms, then tick the box and click Accept. Set a new password when prompted. Please note that you have to use a strong password. Here you can see the requirements for your password. Once complete, you'll land on the beautifully designed Datanamix dashboard. We will explore how to buy credits and use the Datanamix system in the Datanamix overview video.